Lesson: Setting up integrated development environments, IDEs, for AI projects. Setting up integrated development environments for AI projects is a critical skill for professionals aiming to excel in artificial intelligence. The choice of an appropriate IDE can significantly enhance productivity, streamline workflow, and improve the quality of AI solutions. This lesson delves into the practical aspects of selecting, configuring, and utilizing IDEs effectively in AI development, providing actionable insights and real-world applications. A pivotal consideration in choosing an IDE for AI projects is its compatibility with popular AI frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. IDEs like PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, and Visual Studio Code offer robust support for these frameworks, allowing developers to leverage their full potential. For instance, PyCharm provides seamless integration with TensorFlow, offering intelligent code completion, debugging, and visualization tools that simplify the development process. This level of integration is crucial for efficiently building and deploying AI models. Jupyter Notebook is another powerful tool widely used in academia and industry for AI development. Its interactive environment supports live code execution, making it ideal for data analysis and visualization. Jupyter's ability to display data in various formats, including graphs and charts, offers significant advantages for exploratory data analysis, a fundamental step in AI projects. Furthermore, Jupyter's integration with libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib enhances its utility for data manipulation and visualization tasks. Visual Studio Code, with its extensive library of extensions, offers a versatile platform for AI development. It supports Python, R, and Julia, making it suitable for diverse AI applications. The Python extension for Visual Studio Code facilitates debugging, linting, and IntelliSense features, which are indispensable for writing efficient AI scripts. Moreover, its integration with Git allows for version control, ensuring that code changes are tracked and managed effectively. A critical step in setting up an IDE for AI projects is configuring the environment to ensure compatibility with the required libraries and dependencies. Virtual environments, such as Conda and virtualenv, play a vital role in this process. They enable developers to create isolated environments, preventing conflicts between different project dependencies. For instance, Conda's ability to manage packages and environments simplifies the installation and management of AI libraries, ensuring that projects run smoothly across different systems. Once the IDE and environment are set up, integrating AI frameworks is the next step. TensorFlow and PyTorch, two prominent frameworks, offer distinct advantages. TensorFlow's extensive ecosystem includes TensorBoard for visualization, TensorFlow Lite for mobile deployment, and TensorFlow Serving for model deployment, making it a comprehensive choice for end-to-end AI solutions. PyTorch, on the other hand, is favored for its dynamic computation graph, Thor, which allows for flexible model development and debugging. Its seamless integration with Python makes it a preferred choice for research and rapid prototyping. To illustrate the practical application of these tools, consider a case study involving a predictive maintenance system for industrial equipment. The project requires the development of a machine learning model to predict equipment failures based on sensor data. Using Jupyter Notebook, the data scientist can perform exploratory data analysis, visualizing sensor readings to identify patterns. PyCharm, integrated with TensorFlow, facilitates the development of a deep learning model to predict failures, while Visual Studio Code manages the version control and collaboration through its Git integration. This setup not only streamlines the development process, but also enhances collaboration and reproducibility. Statistics reinforce the importance of choosing the right IDE. According to the 2022 developer survey by Stack Overflow, Visual Studio Code is the most popular IDE, used by 74.5% of developers, highlighting its versatility and widespread adoption. Additionally, a survey by JetBrains revealed that PyCharm is preferred by 33% of Python developers, underscoring its prominence in AI development. In conclusion, setting up an IDE for AI projects involves selecting a tool that aligns with the project's requirements, configuring the environment to ensure compatibility, and integrating AI frameworks to leverage their capabilities. Practical tools like PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, and Visual Studio Code offer diverse features that enhance productivity and facilitate efficient AI development. By understanding the strengths of each IDE and effectively configuring them, AI professionals can overcome real-world challenges and deliver high-quality solutions. This lesson provides the foundational knowledge required to make informed decisions, optimize workflows, and enhance proficiency in AI development through the strategic use of IDEs.